Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur, the channel that in 2021 put out about 50 awesome Porsche videos, and this year, 5, maybe? But this one's a good one. It's about Soul Performance products, and it's about the new exhaust that is on this 996. Let's go check it out. Well, if you know anything about me or you watch any of my videos, you know that I enjoy a good exhaust. On this car, on my 991, on my 997, I love a good exhaust, and especially a good exhaust video. So in this video, we're going to be taking out this baby on the road and listening to what the Soul Performance Sports Cats sound like together with the Fister mufflers. Now, I have footage of before, not fully from factory because the car wasn't working or operational with all of the factory kit. As we've gone through Project 996 and we've brought this car back onto the road, part of that transformation process was upgrading the mufflers as we were getting the engine ready as well. So the before shots that you're going to be listening to and seeing have the factory headers, the factory cats, and the modified factory mufflers, which for all intents and purposes we'll just call the Fister mufflers from FD Motorsports. So a partial factory and modified baseline setup. And then we're going to be comparing it to the Fister mufflers and the Soul Performance cats with the factory headers. That's this video. Now, given how excited I am about how this thing sounds now, I took it to the Tail of the Dragon recently with a bunch of friends. The sound on the highway is incredible. Off the line, it's incredible. Round the corners, in the canyons. I can't say enough about how this exhaust sounds right now. But I think I may go one step further and do the Soul Performance headers as well. I've noticed some power gains, the sound is better, but let's just finish it off maybe. But this video is about the sports cats and the Fister mufflers, and then maybe the next video will have the headers. Anyway, enough of that. Without further ado, let's start listening to some awesome Porsche 911 exhaust sounds. Well, that's it for another video here at Auto Amateur. A big thank you to Mike and John and the guys at Soul Performance Products for helping me with the install of these Sport Cats. Next up, it's going to be the factory headers in the spring. And what else? Keep tuning into Curb and Canyon, the Porsche podcast with Andy Gaunt of Last Rasp. We're having a lot of fun with that, and we're getting a lot of downloads. We're getting a lot of great feedback. That's really become, a really sort of central part of my content creating at the moment. It really is cool. If you haven't checked it out, you can get it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google, you name it. Any podcast platform, we're pretty much out there. And more Auto Amateur videos coming. I've got some stuff in the pipeline with my friend Chris. Maybe not with his turbo that's been put away for the winter now, but he's just picked up a lovely, almost brand new Macan. So we're going to be tinkering with that. I've got some work on the 996 we're going to be doing over the winter to the interior. I've got to fix the front bumper that needs a respray. I want to get rid of the mount points where the license plates are. There's some other stuff in the pipeline. We'll see. And maybe, just maybe, come spring, this will get shipped off somewhere and a new 911 will be on its way. But shh, don't tell the wife. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.